Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for stopping by again today. I appreciate you all. Today's video, grandma will be showing us how to cook authentic nsala soup, aka omugwo soup. So stay tuned and keep watching. With this soup, your breast milk will flow very well. This soup also washes your stomach so that all those remaining blood after childbirth will also go out of your system. So I will be showing you the ingredients later, and also I will leave the names of the ingredients in the description box below. So guys, stay tuned and keep watching, and remember to share out the video to your friends, to your family. Okay, thumb up the video for me as well and watch till the end. Yeah, if you are new to my channel, thank you so much for stopping by. You are welcome to this great family. Remember to make yourself comfortable, subscribe and enable notifications so you'll be among the first to be notified whenever I upload a new video. So guys, these are the ingredients you'll be using to prepare this ofe nsala. You can go ahead and add or remove anything from your own, especially the protein, that's the meat. We got some yams, some dry catfish, roasted goat meat. We have oda here as well, Uziza, Utazi, crayfish, Knor cube and salt, Ogiri dawadawa, habanero pepper, stockfish and smoked mackerel fish. The first thing she will be doing is to add enough water to cook the soup inside the pot. Then after that, she will be adding the yams now. Now she's adding the fish, that's the stockfish and the smoked mackerel fish. She just added the catfish now, already washed and deboned. Now she's adding the roasted goat meat. Yes, she will follow it up with the rest of the ingredients. She'll be adding the crayfish, the dried Utazi leaves. The next thing she will be adding now is the habanero pepper. This soup is usually hot, but you can go ahead and reduce the quantity of the pepper you use, or you can increase it if you are the type that eats a lot of pepper. She will follow it up with the Knor cube. You can use any Knor cube or any bullion of your choice. Please, if you are still watching up to this extent, remember to thumb up the video for me. You can as well share it out to your family and friends. Thank you. She's now adding the Ogiri dawadawa. That's the local maggi, African local maggi. You can blend yours with your blender or you pound it. She will add salt to taste. She will be adding oda, another local spice we normally use in Nigeria. I don't know if other parts of African country use it, but in Nigeria, the Igbo people, we use it a lot to prepare food for someone that just gave birth. This helps to wash out all those remaining blood in your system, and it will make your breast milk to flow very well. She will follow it up with another local spice, Uziza. If you don't have this Uziza powder, you can get the Uziza leaves. Both of them work the same thing. Then after that, she covered the pot and cooked for 15 minutes. She is waiting for the yam to cook for 15 minutes. Then she will be removing the yam after 15 minutes to pound it. Yeah, you can see how she's pounding it now. Once she's done pounding it, she will go ahead and start adding the yam inside the soup water. She'll be scooping it bit by bit so that it will dissolve quickly. Once she is done putting the yam paste, she will leave it to cook for 5 minutes so that the yams will dissolve. Then after 5 minutes, she will come back and test for salt. So she is stirring it now to see if the yams have dissolved, and now she is checking for salt. Yeah, after checking for salt, she will go ahead and stir the soup. Then she will cover the pot and allow it to cook for more 5 minutes before she brings it down. Now it's 5 minutes, so she will be dishing out the soup with oats fufu. But first of all, she said that she wants to stir it and show you guys the consistency of the soup. Hope you will give this soup a try. A trial will convince you. It's very easy to prepare. Less than 15 minutes, we are done with the soup and the fufu. Now she is dishing out the soup for me. So guys, here comes the end of today's video. Hope you find this video helpful. Thank you so much for watching. I appreciate each and every one of you. Remember to thumb up the video, share it out, subscribe, and also enable notification so you'll be among the first to be notified whenever I upload a new video. Bye, and see you in my next video. But meanwhile, come and join me. I can't just eat this soup alone. Come and join me, guys. Let's enjoy this soup together. Bye. This is the end result. How is it looking?